Hello my beautiful viewers and welcome back to the channel. Today is my wife's birthday, guys. I was planning on taking her to this very huge fancy castle to have dinner this evening, but unfortunately the castle is closed today. Very disappointing on my end, but I'm gonna take you to the kitchen, guys, you know what I'm saying? So come let me teach you guys how to make some real Caribbean red snapper with some cassava. We're gonna make we together are gonna make the best birthday dinner right now. You understand? So, forward. So my viewers, this is all the ingredients that we're going to be using for today's meal. However, I now decided that I'm going to make two separate recipes. Stephanie likes her fish fried. I know that for a fact. I like my fish steamed. So I'm going to make fried fish and steamed fish. However, guys, I'm not sure if I'm going to put both the recipes in one video. Let's see what happens, guys.
So my viewers, I've decided that yes, I'm just going to put both the recipes in one video. Now we're going to start off today's video by preparing the steamed fish first. So now we're just going to add a bit of coconut oil to the pot and keep it rolling, alright?
And again, guys, we want the flavor to be up. So we have added some scallion, some pimento seed, scotch bonnet pepper, and some fresh thyme. So guys, I forgot to say, we just added some onions, some corn, some potatoes, and some pumpkin to the pot, alright? And now we're gonna add some water to this. Now guys, we're gonna cover this and leave it for a boil.
A few moments later.
Yeah guys, so now it's time to add some coconut milk to the pot. Leave that a few minutes. Guys, I'm not gonna smell this, guys. Right now we're gonna add some garlic, some fish seasoning, and some of our Jamaican jerk.
Meanwhile,
So guys, we're gonna cover that down and leave it for a boil, and we're gonna work on the fishing at the time being, alright? So make work on the fish now, because our fish already clean, we already check for all extra scales and all of that. Make sure that the item nice and bright, because we have Jamaicans to look for that a lot. And of course you have to smell the fish, make sure them fresh. That's the aim, we want fresh fish, alright? Yeah guys, it's time now to check on this. Got that. Over and then make it go and sit. So guys, you know, so we're gonna add some butter, right? We add some butter to this. You could just smell this right now. You know it's a Jamaican thing, so to get that nice Caribbean flavor, you don't know you have to add one of this. Understand? These are the Grace Cock soup mix. Yeah? We are going to throw that out in our bowl. And we're going to dissolve that with some water. Just add that with water. Then we're going to mix up that. the steamed fish for a few minutes and then we can call that finished, alright? Peace. We already checked to make sure that there is any extra scale and all of that. Now we're just going to add some slices to this, alright? So guys, after we cut our fish, what we want to do now is season our fish, alright? So, a little tip of black pepper. I want to do that on both sides, yeah? Followed by a tiny bit of salt. If you give that a rub. Some of that jerk seasoning, see all of that spice? Yeah. Don't want to get inside, guys. Well seasoned. So guys, after we season and prepare the fish, we're going to put on our pot on the fire. We're going to put some oil if you want hot. Alright? Yeah. Oil I'm going to add for the fish. We're going to put on a pot. Put some water for the cassava. This is the cassava. Most of you might know it as something else, but in Jamaica, cassava. While peeling the cassava, guys, you have to be very careful with the knife, because this can be a little bit dangerous at times, alright? So, just a little tip. So now guys, we're just gonna add the cassava to the pot and leave them to be tender, alright? So guys, now that the oil hot, add a sheet to our oil. So we want maximum flavor.
A few moments later.
Meanwhile,
in the meantime, the fish and bun is getting ready. Let us work on the salad. Okay, first we're going to start off with our red onion. Followed by cucumber. Now guys, we're gonna add a mango. I wanna have that in some nice dices here. We're gonna add some garlic. Also guys, we want to add some lime to this. So very nice tomato. Some salad mix. To give that a stir. again, we're just gonna have some blood.
So guys, while working on the salad, I did went back a few times to check on the fish, but I totally forgot about the camera, guys, because I had a lot to attend to. What I did basically, I fried the fish on both sides to a wonderful golden brown, and then I would wait a bit until the cassava is very soft, and then I would slice the cassava into fries like shapes, and I would fry that into the same oil. Alright, and then of course we're gonna move on now to the finishing touch, them jumbo shrimps. Alright, so hope you guys enjoy.
So guys, for the finishing touch, we have some jumbo shrimp here. We're gonna deal with that right now and call it finish, alright? And then we can present the table. As usual, we're gonna add some coconut oil, guys. We're going to add a little bit of white wine.
So guys, I also didn't get to record while I was setting the table or when I was dishing the food. I do have a tiny clip coming up so you guys can see the finishing touch. Alright, just write in the comment section and let me know what you think. And of course guys, once you make it this far in the content, that simply means you like the content. So just support my channel by continuing to like, share, comment, subscribe, and we'll see each other on the next one. Alright,
Finishing touch.